Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Hi! We are back in front of my closet, so this is going to be some type of a clothes video, but as you see from the title, we're going to be doing a little bit of style today, okay? So we're going to be styling your favorite, or well, at least my favorite black blazer. So I'm just going to do a few looks with this and let's see how they turn out. And I'm just going to give you a few tips on how I always, you know, throw on some type of blazer or this particular blazer just to spruce up a look or just to complete a look, and kind of just how to work on your style just a tad, a little bit. And I think a black blazer is something that every girl, especially a plus size girl, should have in her closet because it just works so well, and you'll see why. So if you want to see all of my different tips on how to style a especially a long line or a black blazer, make sure you continue to watch. But before we get into it, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get into it, honey. Okay guys, so the first style tip I think is pretty basic, and I think something that people see a lot. This is a go-to, I think, outfit, which is like a simple bodysuit or just a simple white top and some jeans. These are some of my favorite jeans. I do just throw these on a lot because they're just always just the first jeans that's right here, but you can do it with any pair of jeans. Do it with any pair of jeans. These jeans have rips in the knees. I will of course do another footage of the bottom just because I was having technical difficulty. I don't even want to talk about it. So these are just the jeans, and what you're going to do is of course just throw your blazer on. But one thing that you want to do is, I think, spruce it up, and I think this helps with style. So I'm going to throw my blazer on, and then I'm going to show you guys like how I would style it up and what shoes and all of that I would wear with this kind of outfit. Kind of like a street style kind of chic moment, okay? So, and I feel like this is perfect to like dress up always. Like this is a perfect piece to just say I'm a little bit more dressed than I really am. And as you can see, that's how it looks. I don't like the sleeves to look like that, so I always roll the sleeves up, which I think gives it a little bit more edge as well. That is really cute. Let me back up a little bit, try to see the bottom of the blazer. So this is where the blazer hits me, a little bit mid-thigh, and I think this is really cute. It just looks nice. Of course you can layer some necklaces, but one thing that I would do if I were wearing this, just to spruce it up a little bit, just make it a little bit more, is we're gonna add a gold chain belt, and I'll show you what I mean. Here's my gold chain belt. I actually got this for $5 at Rainbow. I don't know if you remember my Rainbow haul, my $3 Rainbow haul, which I haven't had a chance to go back to because Rainbow's closed. So if my nails will allow, I'm just gonna, if my nails will allow, please nails, allow this. Okay. So this is how that looks, and I really like this, but honestly I would have worn tighter jeans or jeans that weren't, these are a little bit big for me. I like them because they're just loose and comfy. But I do love this because it just gives you just another area here, and it doesn't necessarily accentuate the stomach, which is really, really great if you have a bigger stomach as a plus girl. It kind of gives the attention like, oh, just gonna look at the belt. I don't have that big of a stomach, but I think that it just works for the girls, my sisters, with the bigger pouches here. The bigger fupas, the more loving you got, okay? So I think this is really cute, of course. Now because we're doing kind of like a street style casual look, we're gonna pair it with some sneakers, and let's see what sneakers we're. So these are the sneakers I'm gonna throw on. These are some Converses. I did DIY these Converses years ago. I've only worn them like once or twice because sometimes the pearls pop off. Okay you guys, so now that my shoes are on, I'm just going to post like a little snippet here of just my shoes. Yeah, so this is how we look right now, which I think is a really, really cute fit. I think I love this, and honestly I would do something just like I'm the type of person when it comes to style, I think this is a really cool style tip. If you're not the type of person, if you're the type of like denim, white, black type of person, just that's really much all you do, you don't wear too much color just because you don't want to accentuate anything. I find that a lot of plus size girls tend to stick to black. I think that something that you can do is accessorize up with color. It could be a dull color, a dark color, a bright color. So there's several things that you can do. So I'm going to grab a bag and show you what I would wear with this this outfit. A Shein haul, but I just love it, and it's just another color to add to the outfit, and it kind of accentuates the gold a little bit. But I think this is a really cute, just kind of like an addition, or of course a pattern bag would also work. But this is a really cute addition to an outfit. If you're using a bag that is black but has a lot of patterns and stuff, this is a vintage bag. And this would also kind of work if you wanted to kind of have a little bit of color, a little bit of design or something like that, kind of to dress it up a little bit and make it like a different kind of look. So it's not just like I have jeans, a t-shirt, and sneakers on. You dress it up, you put your blazer and your accessories, and let's style it another way. Okay, so here's the beginning of the next outfit. Now this is going to be more of like a clubby kind of lounge fit with some black jeans. These are from Fashion Nova. This top is from my last Shein haul. It is a bralette of some sort, but like I said in that haul, you want to kind of hide the straps if you don't want to wear strapless and all that kind of stuff. So a black blazer is perfect for an outfit like this, especially at this time of year when you still want to go out and your jacket is like part of your outfit kind of moment. This is perfect for that. Okay, so basically having a black blazer on will just give the illusion of a slimmer waist, of course, and just not having all of this out and not having to wear those chaotic bras and stuff that kind of hurt, especially if you're like me, a little bit bustier. So let's grab our blazer. So we're just going to throw her on. Just hoping not to unroll the sleeves because I don't want to do it again. Alright. And boom. This honestly turned this into another outfit. And also it helps kind of take away a little bit of the cleavage, but not too much. And another thing that you can do is also wear a necklace of some sort. I don't want to put any necklaces on because I don't feel like fighting, so that's why I'm not putting anything on. But of course, just like a simple necklace, just a gold simple necklace will look amazing with this outfit. And yeah, like you're pretty much ready to put your shoes on. You're dressed, poo. And honestly, when y'all see me wear this out, because outside is clothes, I'm giving y'all outfits right now. So when y'all see me wear this out, don't judge the kid. We are re-wearing. Because at the end of the day, we are baddies on a budget. And we don't got time to be trying to not recycle clothes. You can wear outfits differently, but this particular outfit, I don't know where I'm going, sis. But we going. You already know. Where we going, sis? Period. You already know my motto, okay? So this is how this outfit looks so far. So what I'm going to do now is throw on these. Now the reason why I decided to throw on these for right now is because instead of throwing on black shoes, this kind of gives you a little bit of a peaky kind of, oh, I have on shoes but I don't have on shoes, and it's like a nude, and nude pretty much goes with black in a way, and it also kind of helps with the top. So I think this is a really cute, you know, addition to this outfit as opposed to the normal, you know, strap-on shoe. So I probably won't strap the shoe properly because my nails are starting to get old. I keep mentioning my nails, but they're starting to get old and one of them may pop off. Okay, y'all, I'm tall now. So I didn't buckle the shoe. I tried to tie the knot and this knot already came out, and I don't even care. Like, I'm really having a crazy time filming this video. I don't even want to talk about it, really. As you can see, this is the shoes. This is how it looks. I think this is really cute, and all we have to do now is basically add a bag. And this just makes the outfit, it just comes together. So we're playing with patterns and colors, but all in the same family. And that nude in the shoe, I think, also helps bring out this kind of bag a little bit more. So I think this is really cute. Yes, and this is just enough to fit your ID, your card, your money, and you out. We out tonight, sis. Where we going? Period. 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 You already know, poo. Alright, you guys, the next and the last outfit. Here we go. Okay, so this is the next and last fit, and we're gonna go to work with this one, okay? So let's say you want to wear a simple, cute skirt. This is my Houndstooth shirt from Shein. This is a simple cami top from Shein as well. But you're at work, you can't really show your tattoos as much. You want to kind of conceal those, or you just can't even show arms. Some places are really conservative. My job doesn't really care. However, your black blazer says is gonna save the day. So let's grab her. Let's grab Lakeisha. Let's grab sis. let's bring her into the, let's bring her. Get my hair out the way. A little bit. So we just threw her on and boom. Boom, boom, bop. Okay. Now there are several things you can do with this. You can always belt this. You can belt it around and you can just put a little cute belt just to throw a little accent. You know what? Let's try it. Okay, so we just belted this and this makes the outfit look totally different. It does something to it. I don't know if you see that. It was kind of just a little bit blah. Like we had it on, it was but it was just on. Now we're throwing a little bit of in it. Now, I don't know where you guys work or how the office is, but a lot of places you want to keep the neutrals, the cooler tone shoes. You don't want to go too crazy, right? So you could wear a black shoe with this, or if your office doesn't mind, you can wear a pop of color. Those of you ladies who can wear a pop of color, you can always wear these. I'm going to tuck this under my arm. You could always wear something like this. Now usually people like to do an accent of color with houndstooth and black and white with red, but I find that sometimes people find red a little bit loud if it's a really conservative office. This might even be too loud, so this is only for people who can wear color. You can even do a shoe like this with like that's yellow or green, or even just like a lighter kind of color, not this neon. But I'm a neon girl, I'm a bright girl, so I would definitely throw these on. Not going to put them on for this video. I'm going to put on the black shoes, but I think these are really a good idea just to throw on so that it's not red and it's not too loud if your office is a little bit conservative, but you can play with some color. Now, of course, with the efforts of spring, I have these booties, which are very comfortable as well. I got these from UrbanOG a while ago. Now, I really like these because it does have some texture in it, so it still gives you a little bit of pizzazz, but they're very comfortable. They're lace up and they cover the whole foot as well, so these work well for the spring, and it's just a peep toe back and front, but it's still black, and we're going to just throw these on just to show the black and white with the houndstooth. Okay, you guys, so shoes are on, and of course you'll be able to see them beside me, but really love this. It's really simple, just some black and white, but you got some little pattern. If you're kind of like one of those people like me who just loves a good pattern, you're still getting that, but you're still toned down when you have the black shoes on. Now, what you can do, if you can do color, but you know, you're not going to walk around work with your handbag, you can always grab a color handbag, so you're still giving that pop of color. I'm just going to grab a red clutch here because it's the first thing that I see. So we talked about red, so you could easily grab a red bag and boom, you have a pop of color. Depending on your office, you could even pair that with a red lip, just so that when your handbag is in a place where you can't see it, you still got red on, sis. So that is really cute. Or if your office, or you're not like that, if you don't like pops of color and stuff like that, you could just wear a simple black handbag. And honestly, I probably would do this just because depending on how I'm feeling, if I just like a day where it's like rainy and I don't really want to be color, I'm gloomy and I'm like, I don't want to create color. I think this is really perfect, and it's a perfect handbag to like store your lunch. My lunch fits in here. This is actually my everyday bag. Like this is from Primark. This is my everyday work bag. So there you have it. Okay, flowers, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and watching me style up 3 different outfits. So we did street style, we did club, and then we did work. Those are all 3 things that I feel like a lot of us do. So we just styled our black blazers in different ways, and just ways to still look cute with your favorite black blazer, sis. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Pooh, you already know, and I will try to link everything that I had on in this video in the description box. Bye, guys.